Here are my little birdies. Yeah, I used to have 6, but 2 died because that yellow bitchy one killed it. But I still love her, even if she did kill it. Who's the cute one? Who's cute? Yes, you are cute. They're just sitting there talking to each other. I have a newborn. It's the very colorful one with the yellow face and greenish bluish color. I call it cloud or something. Reminds me of the sky or the blue sky or cloud or whatever. Reminds me of that. And the yellow face reminds me of the sun. That's why I called it cloud. It looks like sun's being half blocked, right, or something like that. Like its face, like the colors like blocking the yellow. Yeah, whatever. And yeah, I have Georgie right there, the blue one. He's kind of like a curious type, wants to know what's happening and everything. He's like, what the fuck? Don't touch my tail. Sure. Now the yellow one likes the blue one. They're like mates. And this one is a newborn. Got it from a regular pet store. And it was a baby, so it couldn't fly when it got in. It still can't fly. I will get a video when it flies. It will soon. It can hardly fly, but like, it always bangs into something. That's why I call it newborn. Now I have this white one. She's really fat. Like, believe me, if you hold her in your hands, it takes up like that much space. And the other birds take like this much. Come here, Georgie. Georgie, come here. Come on. Don't be scared. Come on, Georgie. Georgie, come on. Good, George. Good. Good bird. Here's Georgie. A close up. Georgie, say hi. Say hi to the people. There you go. Say hi to them one more time. Go. Hi. Say hi. Wants to be with his mates. Gonna bring Sunshine now, or Banana. That one. Come here, Sunshine. Come here, Sunshine. Good bird. Good bird. Ah, come on. I'll get her later. Newborn. See, she flies barely. Look. Come on. Say hi to the people. Say hi to the people. There you go. Okay, you can go back with your friend here. Now grab his head for a second. Come here. Asshole, come here. Ah, she's hanging back. Ah, one of them crabs on me is disgusting. Come on. Don't be a fat ass. Come here. You eventually have to get on me, or I'll get her later. Come here, Sunshine. Good bird. I'll show you Sunshine. Say hello to Sunshine. Again, she flies. Okay, this time I'll take you. Come on. Okay, good bird. Here's Sunshine, a close-up with Georgie. Ew, you crapped on my laptop. Okay, I'll clean that later. Goodbye. Let's clean that quickly before it burns my laptop. Okay, where's Fatty? Fatty, Jenny. So cute when you're fat. That is funny. Look how they're positioned. You see it? That looks funny. That looks funny. Okay. Come on, Fatty. Good Fatty. Good Fatty. Here's Fatty. Close up. Hope she doesn't crash on my laptop again. Hey, come back. Fatty. Okay, she doesn't want to be looking public there. Yeah, those are all my birds. I'll show you one more time. Here's Cloud. Oh, almost crapped on my laptop. Almost crapped on my laptop. You're lucky you're a good bird. Say bye. Say bye.